Hello everyone, welcome back to Technocrat NJ, and I'm Namna back with another video for you. So as you all know, there are some people who find it tough to take out these square roots of numbers which are really big. So I've got a really easy trick for you so that you can take it out in just few seconds. So I know by now you all might be familiar with all the squares and square roots from 1 to 25. So I just noted them down here for you all. And maybe if there's a number like 1024, what to do now? How to take out the square root? Let me teach you the easier way. So first of all, let me just write the square root. Let me just write this here like this. 1, 0, 2 and 4. And then we have to take pairs. So that means a pair of 2, that means of 10 and 24. That means it's two different things. Now we have to focus on the last digit of this entire number, which is 4. And between 1 to 10, you can even check from 1 to 25, but we need the smallest digit. So I'm going to check between 1 to 10. And now let's check where does 4 come on the last digit. That's the ones place. So it comes in 2 and 8. So now we're going to write here 2 and 8. But the smaller digit is 2. So we don't require 8 anymore, and we're going to take it as 2. Now, as you can see over here, we have 10. So we have to check that between which squares or square roots does 10 come. So it comes between 9 and 16. That means we have to multiply 3 into 4. Because 10 is coming between 9 and 16, the numbers that we require in this operation are 3 and 4. So we're going to multiply 3 into 4, which is equal to 12. Now 10 is smaller than 12, and the smaller digit between 3 and 4 is 9, and 3 into 3 is 9. So the answer is 3. And now the square root of 1024 is 32. Don't believe me? Check it on your own on calculator. So 32 into 32 is equal to 1024. And let me give you one more example if you still find it tough. Let us try it for a 5-digit number now. So maybe let me take this one. That is, and now for a 5-digit number, if you have to take the last 2 digits as a pair and the first 2 digits as a pair, and then we'll check that where does 25 come. So it is 5. It comes in 5 and 25. And now the smaller digit is 5. We don't require 25 anymore. So now place 5 here. And now for 600, it comes between 24 and 25. That means 576 and 625. So we're going to multiply 24 and 25. And the answer comes out as 600 after multiplying, and it's 600 itself. So the smaller digit will be 24. So we're gonna place 24 here. So the square root of 625 will be 245. So isn't that a really easy way to take out the square root? And I know it looks a bit tough, but if you keep on practicing it for a while, you'll be easily able to take out the square roots, and even if the methods in your book are different, you can use this for checking the answer is correct or not. So I hope you liked this video and found it useful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone. Bye.